Today we're going to look at another measure location. We previously looked at the measure centre. Now we're going to look at the measure of variability, or how spread out. So if we had a bell curve, for example, is it nice, like all women want to be long, skinny bell curve, or is it a bit more like this is like some after COVID, going spreading out like that? So when we talk about variability or spread, that's what we're talking about. What shape our data, when we draw a graph, is going to be. Now there are four ways of or four common ways, I suppose I should say, of actually working out the variability or the spread. Now the easiest one would be the range. Second one is the interquartile range. Both of these would have come across at junior cycle. The third method is the standard deviation, and the last method is percentiles. Now you might be aware of percentiles if you do exams and stuff for entry to various courses where you're in the 70th percentile. We'll talk about that later. So the first one is the range. How do you calculate the range? Well, you get your values and you subtract the smallest value from the largest value. So if your largest value was 50 and your smallest value was 2, you subtract 2 from 50 and your range will be 48. Quite a big spread there. Now the next thing we're going to is the quartiles and the interquartile range. So basically what you do for this is you get your data and write down the data in order from the smallest to the biggest. And you basically divide your data, first of all in half, 2 halves, and then each half is halved again to get, so you end up with the data being spread out in quarters, if that makes sense. Right, so write that down for you there, arrange the data in order. Again, starting as smallest, going to the biggest. So Q1 is your, what we call our lower quartile. It's the smallest quarter basically of your data. So it's a quarter way through the data, if you want to write. Now to get the Q1 is simply all your data, number of data, plus 1 divided by 4, because it's the first quarter. Okay, Q2, or we'll do 3, I suppose 3 for next. Q3 is 3/4 way, it's the upper quartile. If you like, it's 3/4 ways through your data. And to get the Q3 value, remember it's 3/4 of the way. It's 3 times n plus 1, your number of data, add on 1, all divided by 4, so 3/4 of the data. And then obviously to get Q2, the halfway mark, it's just n plus 1 divided by 2, because it's halfway through the data. Now obviously you could make that 2/4, 2 times that over 4, but 2 over 4 is 1/2. So that's how you get the interquartile range. Now we're going to do the question where we're going to work out or calculate the interquartile range. So we're given a list of numbers. I have them written in order already for you to take away the problem. And there's 15 numbers, smallest being 0 and the largest being 16. Now if we're asked to calculate the interquartile range, that's the biggest quarter minus, so it's Q3 minus Q1. So if you like, it's the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. Now remember, it's very important, lads, when you're doing maths, and if you're using formulas, you can actually say it in your own parlance, in your own words, you know what you're talking about. So if you see Q3 minus Q1, it's the 3/4 ways mark minus the 1/4 ways mark. So it's so to get the Q3, we said Q3 is n plus 1. It's 3/4 of the way up, so it's 3 times that all over 4. Now we know that the numbers, we have 15 numbers, so 15 plus 1 all over 4. So that's 3/4 of the way of 16, which is the 12th value. Okay, that's very important. And Q1, the first quartile, is n plus 1 over 4. That's the same as this here, it's really 1/4. 1 times that over 4. But to make life easy, you don't need to be putting that in. enough to be doing. So that's n plus 1, 15 plus 1 over 4, 16 over 4, quarter way through is the fourth value. So you come along here, and it's very important, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, that's our fourth value, that is Q1, and keep counting to the 12th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's our Q3. So our interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, which is 14, take 5, and our interquartile range ends up as being 9. Is that okay for everybody? That's very important. Now there are a number of different ways of working out the interquartile range, but I find this easiest, foolproof. It constantly works. Very easy for you. Is that okay? And I will leave it there for today. You can do some questions from the exam papers and from the book on mean, mode, median, and on the range and quartile range. And the next day I will look at standard deviation and percentiles. Thank you.